Jeremiah says, the classic jab on PyTorch. You know what? I just throw those things in to stir the pot a little bit. I personally, I like Keras. Keras is my preferred framework for neural networks. I'm also a moderator on their mailing list. But yeah, that's just my preference because I just think Keras is easier to work with. But yeah, if you like PyTorch, I'm just messing with all of you guys. But you know, it's always fun to stir the pot a little bit, right? But yeah, but don't use PyTorch. Data Science Info says they are from Melbourne, Australia. It's the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology. Oh, fantastic! Thank you so much. Yeah, I was very fortunate to visit Australia. I spent Christmas in Australia a couple of years ago in 2022. I think I was there, something like that, and I had a really good time in Sydney. You know, the hotel there did something really cool for me. You know how like when you check into like a fancy hotel, like they'll always have like a little welcome snack